Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach about Module 3 State Executives. So we shall see about what are the powers and functions of governors. So we are just going to see about state executives. So the Constitution of India provides us under different articles. So we shall see about that. The first one is the powers and functions of the governor. So you can see that there are a lot of things like functions what the governor has to do. So the article number 153 is dealing about the powers and functions of the governors of states. So there shall be for each state there are what are the things that the governor has to do has been categorized and I have been given the points, right? So I'll just give the informations about what are the different articles and what they deal about. So the first one, you can see that the governors of each states are categorized, and then the executive power of state that deals the executive power of state, it comes under article number 154, whereas the governor of the state comes under article number 153. So the 154 executive power of state deals about the executive power of the state shall be vested in the governor and shall be exercised by him either directly or through indirectly by the officer or the subordinates to him in accordance with the constitution. So it deals only about the executive powers which is like vested, right? And it is to transfer the functions to the subordinates. So that is called as the executive power of the state. The duty of them is to transfer the duties or just manage. It's like a management thing where their duties will be given to the subordinates, and they will be transferring any functions now any laws. If laws is introduced by the government, they will be testing and then approving it. So they prevent the parliament or the legislature of the state from any law functions, and they will be like authority of the subordinate. Okay, they will be like governors will act as authority for all the subordinates. So this is the powers of executive power of the state. The next one is appointment of governor. So article number 155 deals with the appointment of governor. So yeah, the governor of the state shall be appointed by the president by warrant under his hand and seal. So president used to appoint the governor, right? So the next one is term of office of governor. So the term of office of governor means it says that article number 156 comes under the category of term of office of governor. So it deals with the governor shall hold office during the pleasure of the president. So if the president allows, the governor shall he can hold the whole office, and maybe he can even address to the president to even for resignation or anything, the government will take care. Subject to the provisions of this article, a governor shall hold office. So a governor can hold the office for a term of 5 years from the date of which he entered upon his office. So 5 years he can able to rule this office. Okay, and even he himself need to give the resignation while leaving the office. So this is what said in the term of office of governor. And the next one is qualification for appointment as governor. This comes under article number 157. So no person shall be eligible for appointment as governor unless he is a citizen of India and has completed the age of 35 years. So the minimum age will be like 35, and he will be having the eligibility only if he is a citizen of India, right? So the next one is condition for governors office. So, conditions for governor's office comes under article number 158. So, it deals with the governor shall not be a member of either the House of Parliament or the House of Legislature of any state specified in the first schedule. And if the member is either is a member of Parliament or a legislature, he will be like appointed as a governor, and he shall be deemed to like vacate the seat from the previous one, and from the date he is been appointed he can take over the rules and responsibilities. The governor shall not hold any other office of profit. The governor who is like tends to be who is being like appointed, they should not have any other profitable business. These are the rules for the governor. And the next one is the governor shall be entitled without payment of rent to use his official residence, and shall be entitled to such allowances and privileges will be like determined by the parliament. So the whatever the amendments the allowances and house rents will be decided by the president, and he will take over the charge with all these things. And also it is said that the allowances of governor when he quits when after is the 5 years, it will not be it will be given only for the period of 5 years. So during his term of office it should not be diminished. This is what they are saying. And the next one is like the power of there will be like they will be having different parts of to grant any pardons, or you used to suspend or any cases, or to commute sentences like they in certain cases they have the authorities. So these are all the power of governors. So actually they will be having certain conditions of governor's office. Also they will be having more powers over there. So I said the conditions like what like how the allowances will be given, and they should not hold any other job, right? That are all the commitments. And also they have certain oaths or affirmation by the government. Right. So this and all comes under article number 161, 162 and 163. So it is said that the council of ministers will be there to aid the governor, and there shall be like this council of ministers with the chief minister as a head of them, advises government in his whatever the decision he takes, except certain functions. So if any question arises whether any matter is or not a matter as respects, like for example any matter is not been accepted by the members, means then then the constitution is required to take for example the governor has to take the decision. So with respect to what should be taken, what should be like followed and which should not be followed, that thing will be decided by the governor. And the questions will be asked to them, and the answers, like for example the reports will be given from the governor. So whatever the final decisions he is taken, that will be respected. So there are like other provisions, like for ministers there will be certain provisions, and the chief minister will be appointed by the governor only, and other ministers also will be appointed by the governor only. And with respect to the advice of chief minister, other ministers will be appointed. Before a minister enters upon his office, the governor shall be the administrator, like he will be the administrator of the office. So this comes under article number 165, and 163 article is there. It is about the business of the one and all the conduct of business of the government of the state. So all the executive actions of the government or the state shall be expressed and taken in the name of governor. All the business will be taken over by the governor only. Orders and other instruments. See, orders and other instruments made and executed in the name of governors. Like whatever the orders in the name of governors only, it will be given to everyone. And the governor shall make rules for more convenient transaction of the business. Until or unless the chief minister takes over the charge, the governor will take over all the responsibilities, and the government will the governor will approve the rules of business of government for any state, like with respect to his rules only, the particular this will be regulated by laws. So these are all the powers and functions of the governor. I will be continuing my session in the next presentation. So